Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am start RHCSA class. This is the introduction of class, how we perform the RHCSA class, Red Hat Certified System Administration. We are talking about Linux, what is the Red Hat and what is the Linux, how we learn. So this is the briefly introduction of this class. If you do not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel to continue watch the video, and you can't skip any video from YouTube. Click on bell icon so you got a notification when I upload next video. So now I'm starting the class. Then there is some schedule. In 5 days we complete the RHCSA first book, RHCSA System Administration first. We complete the book in 5 days. Sorry. So first day we learn about introduction, command line. What is the command line? Managing file and how we can get the help from Red Hat. Day 2, work with the text file. Day 2, working with text file. How create text file, edit in text file. Tool, what is the tool, how we can use the tool for editing in text file. Next is local user and group. Then permissions, process, how create a user and group, how set the permission on user and group, what is the process. Day 3, continue on process. Then service, how we start the service. Then enable, disable, stop, how service work. After that OpenSSH is our next topic. Then log, create, find log, manage the log. Day 4, networking, archiving file, software package, managing the network, how we create a archive file using tar, and install of software install of RPM package. Day 5, file system and virtualization. Only last day only we have two topic, file system and virtualizing system. In day 3 over 65% book complete. So now I'm starting the introduction. Day first is very long because setup, we configure the setup of this classroom, so it take long time, but go rapidly. Day 1, to log in a Linux system and run simple command using the shell, bash shell, or syntax error command, Linux console. What is the Linux console? What is the bash shell? Syntax. We will learn on this. Launch application in GNOME desktop environment. Our application launching on this desktop by graphically. Bash feature. Accessing the command line using the local console. Accessing the command line using the desktop. This is your desktop. This is the desktop view. GNOME graphical. Executing a command from bash shell. then bash command and keyboard shortcut, lab accessing the command line. Second chapter is managing the file, the Linux file system hierarchy. What is the hierarchy? Locating file by name, managing file using command line tool, matching file name using path name expansion. There is our goal is to copy, move, create, delete and organize file while working from the bash shell promote. Identity to the purpose of important directories on a Linux system. What is the important directory in Linux system? Specify file using absolute and relative path name. Create, copy, move, remove file. Match one or more file name using shell expansion as argument to shell command. Sorry guys, this is very fast because this is introduction video and I can't take long time on this video and on introduction, so I'm briefly and fastly give you an introduction. So Linux file system hierarchy, this is the hierarchy. In Linux have a slash partition, slash is root. We call the root partition. There is some directory bin boot dev etc home root run as bin temp user var. So what is the meaning of this directory and what is the store in this directory? We are talking about in this class. There is hierarchy slash home alias bob var log message. Managing file using command line tool, command line file management, matching file name using path expansion, path name expansion, reading document using man command, getting help, pinfo command, user share doc, resolve problem by using online help system and support, manual reader, pinfo, GNU info reader, edit package manager, documentation, support tool command, man command. There is command to read the help of documentation. Pinfo command is another. This is pinfo command overview. All document store in slash user share doc. This day 2, working with text file. Our goal is to create, view and edit text file from command line output or in an editor. I redirect the text output of a program to a file or to another program. We use pipe and some more tool. This is a process of how we redirect first command output in second command input and how it work. This is a process we're talking about this process in class in detail. Redirection and pipeline, shell promote. There is a Vim editor to edit the text file and configuration file. This is a gedit editor. There is a local. Our courses start from there. Before this, all chapter is boring and soft, blah blah blah. Main interesting topic is start from there, and some, you can say, hard of, because there is a permission and process chapter. So this is very hard, but not hard, it's very easy in RHCSA course. In RHC this is very hard, because there is simple permission, read, write, execute permission, and process is how we can check the process, which process is running, and how kill the process. This is simple. Explain the role of user in Linux system, how they are understood by the computer, and command the super user and administrator. There is two users, super user and administrator. Administrator is administrator, but super user is root. Create, modify, lock and delete locally defined user account. Next is user and group. This is the password chapter. This is the chapter 6, permission, how we manage the permission, file, folder, that means directory, how permission work, and how change the permission from command line to ownership. This is chapter 7, monitoring and managing Linux process. List and interrupt, basic information about processing running on the system, control process and session using best job control, terminate control process using signal, monitor resource usage and system load due to process activity. This is a process, how process work. This is the chapter 8, services, day 3. This is the day 4, networking. Configure basic IPv4 networking. This is networking concept. What is the IP address, net mask, DNS, archiving file with tar. How we install software package through RPM, through yum server. This is the subscription manager provided by redhat. How we can mount the file system, partition, pen drive, local storage, and then mount. This is your last chapter. Managing local virtualization host, how we run on a single OS to another OS without restart reboot the system. So there is multiple machines run on virtualization technology, so this is the very important in your future. We use QEMU KVM virtualization. You can use Gen virtualization also. This is a virtualization graph. There is network. There is your hardware, storage, network. You configure the Redhat Enterprise Linux OS. Then there is 3 VM, KVM, virtual machine, OS. There is app server. Hypervisor hardware, RHEL. This is a course provided by redhat, and there is some topic about private cloud and public cloud. In class we talking about this topic in detail. What is the cloud, what is the public cloud, what is the private cloud, what is the hybrid cloud, and how it manages, how it work, and how you can use. This is the your virtual machine installation, your base system installation. You can also this is the new virtual machine installation, how we install. There is 4 type: local, network boot, pixie, importing existing disk image. Okay, this is review. Your course briefly introduction of this course is complete. Thank you for watching this video and continue on. If you want to learn this course RHCSA and you taking in knowledge, bundle of knowledge, you can also join this session, join this class and continuously watch the video and learn. If you got some error, got some problem, then you can contact on my WhatsApp number I am provided in description box. If you do not have Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system, then you can use Fedora and CentOS, because all three are the same, only a logo in the OS is changed. CentOS logo are different, Fedora is different, and Red Hat logo is different. Then all command, all feature, all function, all desktop graphical are same. So it doesn't matter you use Red Hat Enterprise Linux, you use Fedora, it's your choice. Red Hat because a private company, all are private company, Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, but CentOS is you can download a CentOS OS freely, and Fedora. So if you download the Fedora and then go on Fedora website, Fedora, choose download option, download the workstation, latest workstation, and you can also download CentOS OS from HTTP FTP server. I'm providing the link of server in description box. So thanks for watching my video and join the class. Best of luck. Like, share and subscribe the channel, and if you have any friends and you want to learn about Linux, you want to join the Linux, then share this video and say the subscribe in the channel. Okay, thanks guys, bye bye, good night.